Welcome back to Future Tech, the channel where we dive into the cutting-edge advancements that are reshaping the world around us. Today we're venturing into the realm of construction technologies that have reached a whole new level. From revolutionary building materials to innovative installation methods, these solutions are reshaping the way we construct our future. So without further ado, let's dive into our top 10 list of construction technologies that have reached a new level. Number 10. Pipelife CDP 400. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Pipelife CDP 400. As global temperatures rise and climate conditions become increasingly unpredictable, the demand for efficient cooling and heating solutions is on the rise. The Pipelife CDP 400 offers a game-changing approach with its installation-friendly sealing systems. These systems incorporate aluminum heat distribution plates and multiple layers of polymer tubing. What's remarkable is that a single control panel can manage up to 128 rooms, making it an ideal solution for spaces like office buildings and hospitals. Number 9. Concrete Lego. At number 9, we have an innovation that takes inspiration from everyone's favorite childhood building blocks. Lego, the concrete Lego system, brings the concept of modular construction to life, allowing reinforced concrete structures to be assembled swiftly and efficiently. This technology is a game changer, reducing installation time by a staggering 60%. From road barriers to bridges, these structures are versatile and have found collaboration with major industry players. The best part: concrete Lego structures are not only cost-effective, but also exceptionally durable, unaffected by corrosion or weathering. Number 8. Ground Guards MaxiTrack. Our number 8 pick introduces a solution that seems straight out of a city building video game. Enter the Ground Guards MaxiTrack, a technology that simplifies road and path construction with just a few steps. These interlocking mats can support heavy machinery like trucks, cranes, and tractors, making them ideal for construction sites and event venues. Each mat can handle up to 80 tons, and with their manual installation ease, they're like the real-world equivalent of virtual road building. However, be prepared for the investment, as each mat comes with a price tag of $294. Number 7. InterShelter Dome. Sliding in at number 7, we have the InterShelter Dome, a prefab housing solution that's as versatile as it is resilient. These domes are not only popular among civilians, but also find use in military applications across extreme environments, withstanding hurricanes, earthquakes, and heavy snow loads. These lightweight shelters offer temporary housing, disaster relief, and more. Number 6. Screed Buddy. Taking the 6th spot on our list is an ingenious solution that addresses a common safety concern in construction: protruding sewer pipes. The Screed Buddy caps mark pipe locations and prevent unevenness, enhancing safety and workflow efficiency. With various diameters available, these plugs are a small but impactful addition to construction sites. Number 5. PVC Water Stop. Stepping into the top 5, we have the PVC Water Stop, a material that's revolutionizing waterproofing and sealing joints in concrete structures. Unlike traditional materials, the PVC Water Stop doesn't fatigue over time, making it a reliable choice for demanding environments like tunnels and canals. Its versatility, resistance to various substances, and easy installation process are driving its adoption across diverse projects. With a price of just $5 per meter, it's an investment in long-term durability. Number 4. ArchLock. Coming in at number 4 is a technology that's like construction's answer to Lego, the ArchLock system. This system, resembling large interlocking blocks, drastically reduces construction time for projects like bridges and tunnels. With its modular approach, specialized machinery, and customizable block options, it's changing the game by accelerating construction timelines and enhancing efficiency. Number 3. Borjatherm. Our 3rd spot is reserved for a solution that's directly addressing the extreme weather conditions that the world is experiencing. The Borjatherm roof insulation system is a response to record-breaking temperatures with aluminum panels and rigid polyurethane. It effectively regulates indoor temperatures, keeping buildings cool in summer and warm in winter. Number 2. Dock Edge Plus. As we approach the top of our list, we're diving into the realm of innovative water-based solutions. With the Dock Edge Plus, these floating blocks are transforming marinas, pontoons, and water-bound structures. With its modular design and impressive weight-bearing capacity, the Dock Edge Plus is redefining how we approach waterfront construction. Number 1. Rectolite. And now our number 1 pick, the technology that's illuminating the future of construction. The Rectolite beam and block flooring system seamlessly blends reinforced concrete beams with pressed wood blocks. Its lightweight yet sturdy composition enables efficient construction for both residential and commercial buildings, with versatility in span lengths and the ability to retrofit old structures. The Rectolite system is making waves in the construction industry as a true game changer. That wraps up our countdown of construction technologies that have reached a new level, from energy-efficient climate control to modular construction solutions. And beyond, these innovations are paving the way for a more efficient, sustainable, and resilient future. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of construction's frontier. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking tech insights here on Future Tech. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and keep building the future.